Are you looking for the best mesh Wi-Fi systems? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best mesh Wi-Fi systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AeroPro 6E. The best mesh Wi-Fi system we've tested is the AeroPro 6E. This tri-band Wi-Fi 6E router has a slick design and a nice, small footprint, so you can place it wherever you want. It has a great range and is easily expandable, making it a great option for enormous homes. It also delivers impressive speeds that can take advantage of a gigabit internet connection anywhere in your home, allowing you to download large files quickly, even when you're far from the main router or not in range to use a wired connection. Setting up the mesh system is straightforward using the Aero mobile app, which is great for less tech-savvy users who find the process daunting. The app lets you configure and monitor your network, see the number of connected devices, and manage smart home devices since it has a built-in Zigbee hub as well as support for Thread and Matter. However, the app is limited in what settings you can change, and many features like parental controls and historical data are behind an annoying monthly paywall. We recommend this mesh system when it costs $300 or less. At its full MSRP of $400, the TPLink Deco B63 might be a better option if you are willing to spend a bit more. This Wi-Fi 7 mesh system is faster, especially on the 6 GHz band. That said, it's only worth the extra cost if you have Wi-Fi 7 devices that can take advantage of its faster speeds, which are still relatively few and far between. Number 2. TP-Link Deco X5000. The TP-Link Deco X5000 is the best mesh router we've tested at a mid-range price point. It's a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 system with surprisingly small access points, making it easy to place discreetly in your living space. It offers impressive range and speed, providing strong coverage throughout multi-story homes with speeds reaching up to 800 megabits per second, making it great for a house full of devices simultaneously streaming content or taking video calls. Its compatibility with other TP-Link Deco models allows for easy expansion if needed. Like the AeroPro 6E above, you can easily set up this router using the Deco app, which has an intuitive interface that makes managing and monitoring your network simple. This mesh system only has 2 networking ports, so you may need an external switch for multiple wired devices. Finally, as it's only Wi-Fi 6, your Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 devices won't be able to take advantage of the 6 GHz band, which brings significant performance benefits, especially if you live in a congested wireless environment. Number 3. Aero 6. The Aero 6 is our pick for the best budget mesh Wi-Fi system. This dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router delivers solid coverage and speeds suitable for an internet connection of up to 700 Mbps. It can easily handle high-bandwidth activities, like multiple 4K video streams and high-speed downloads. Like our top pick, the AeroPro 6E, it has a compact, sleek design and is easily expandable, allowing you to add more units to cover larger homes. Despite its budget price, it still includes smart home integration with built-in Zigbee support and Amazon Alexa compatibility. The setup process is the same as the AeroPro 6E above using the Aero app. Again, the mobile app is user-friendly, even people with no networking knowledge can do it easily. One drawback of this budget solution is that this router's range isn't as good as our other picks, so you may see some dips in internet speed when connected to a satellite unit far away from the router.